gonna give some tips here. So Meta is trying to hook people more into their apps and get them spending more time on Facebook and Instagram, respectively. As you know, Facebook owns Instagram, so they want to do it by making it easier for you to switch, and me, I'm guilty too, to switch between each account. So you can start. So they're gonna start adding alerts to entice you to go back and forth. They're saying that they're going to simplify the process of creating and switching between accounts and profiles that they have. So in this new profile switching interface, which will indicate the number of notifications that you have on each platform in order to entice you to open it up a little more. And rather than, like you said, rather than just seeing your Facebook profile page in the account, you'll also see your connected Instagram accounts, providing an easier link between the two. So both are going to show you how many post profiles that you've had since you last checked in. They're going to try to make it as easy for you as possible, even if you missed it in your news feed or you don't follow those accounts. So this pretty much summarizes the whole approach for these new additions. As we know, with app time on its decline, Meta is looking to add new ways to have people within its digital walls, which is why it's coming up with ways to connect its various accounts and tools, add more combined notifications to ensure it can keep you around for as long as possible. Now, that won't just be limited to your Facebook and Instagram accounts either. They said with these changes, they are currently limited to Facebook and Instagram. However, they'll continue to explore experiences across their other technologies. So Meta is looking to ways to integrate notifications, switching as well for their WhatsApp. If you don't know, they own WhatsApp as well, as long as the VR environment, formerly known as Oculus. Has anybody tried that? The idea is by combining everything, making it as easy as possible to switch, you'll just continue to floating between their stuff and adding in its active user stats, ideally spending more time at the tools. And that seems to be the stopgap that they have right now, the solution they have to stop the exodus away from its apps. Right now, from what I'm reading, the broader problem for Meta right now is just people just aren't as entertained as they used to be, right? As they once were by, posts from family and friends, and then the rise of video marketing, the short form video, the new shift in the local media landscape, moving from connection with the social element is now entertainment instead. People are looking to be entertained. So that's why you see them pumping up the reels. Facebook Lives aren't hitting like they used to. And entertainment, honestly, has not been Meta's forte. That's not been what they've been great at. So you see why TikTok, all those little quicker social media ones that are more entertainment based are flourishing. Facebook Watch, if you remember that never really caught on. IGTV was retired last year, and that reflects on the company's ongoing struggles to maximize user engagement on that entertainment side, on the entertainment content. TikTok, as you know, however, that's where their focus is. Their focus is on entertainment over social connection, as is YouTube. YouTube is, with both of those, they're both being less than about who you know and more about what you like, right? And that's never been Meta's approach. But with these tools, it's built. The tools are built around updates from families and friends, but they're trying to rectify and tweak it by now pushing more entertainment aligned content into your feeds. And that's more the profiles that you don't follow, in hopes that you'll start referring to those in the forefront for entertainment as well. Will it work? Who knows? Facebook is still, top of the food chain. But, can Facebook, let me know, what do you think? Can Facebook and Instagram become more entertainment apps instead of connectivity tools? Let me know what you think. Anthony here, your picks and shovels guy, here to share some tips and tricks and things that I'm seeing out there in the landscape to get it over to you. If you would like to, as a matter of fact, if you're on Facebook and you'd like to clean up your Facebook profile to attract more leads to your Facebook profile, I will give you a free Facebook audit. We'll take a look at your profile, see what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, how you can do better. And I'd be happy to do that with you. So connect with me and let's set that up. All right, guys. 2 claps up and a Ric Flair.